Hello, Daniel McKinney here, and I finally finished my composter that I made from a 55-gallon drum. Basically, it's the banjo straps there, and the bolts. One pin in the center, a rod going all the way through a 55-gallon drum, resting on a support that I just come up with whatever I could right here to hold it up. The frame is from an old charcoal smoker grill. Got rid of the grill and dreamed up how to do this composter. Couldn't ever think of a good way to make a tumbler, so I stuck a 4x4 in there and lag bolted it. Resting on this side, just got like a conduit strap here, and just whatever steel I'll come up with to make it stay there. And hopefully it's about to try it for the first time once I get this done in here. About to load her up. I got the old cucumbers and some other vegetable stuff that I pulled from the garden to put in. They're calling that the greens. Leaves would be the browns, which would be like also wood chips and wood shavings, ground shavings. And this is some field peas I planted. I figured I'd put some of that in there. And I got some inoculant, some compost starter. Probably may get some of that, but they're saying if I find some good sources from the ground where there's good bacteria growing, I can just use that. And once I throw all this in there, the greens and the browns, and of course kitchen scraps, eggs, old cucumbers, apples, bread, just I guess about anything. A person probably throw flour and cornmeal in there. Hell, I don't know. Coffee grounds, paper, cardboard. Save the Amazon cardboard in the future. Going to chop that up. This is my first composter, and I'm hoping this thing's going to work out. I know it still probably take 4 to 6 to maybe even 8 weeks in order to do it. But if I keep doing it, eventually I'll have some real good compost, and that's how that's going to work. Just tumbler all up. About every 2-3 weeks is what the internet's saying, and then eventually have some real good microbacteria and good compost to put on plants in crucial areas. Also doing the field peas nitrogen fixation using inoculants, I believe it is. Yeah, inoculants. It's added to the seeds, and then the seeds, as they grow, it makes good bacteria and microbacteria, and it just keeps growing as the plant grows, and then it's in exchange it feeds the plant. It's just something that I'm trying this year that a lot of farmers use for crop recovery. Anyway, there you go. Have a good weekend. Have a good night. Bye.